Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Linode Kubernetes on a VPS for microservices, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Linode Kubernetes on a VPS for microservices, start by creating an account on Linode. Once your account is set up, log in to the Linode Cloud Manager. Click on Create in the top menu and select Linode from the drop-down. Choose your desired distribution, preferably Ubuntu. Select the plan that suits your needs and budget. Pick a data center region that is closest to your target audience. Add any necessary SSH keys for secure access. Click on Create Linode to provision your VPS. Once the Linode is created, note the IP address assigned to it. Connect to your Linode via SSH using a terminal emulator. Run system updates by executing the command sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade y. Install essential packages by executing sudo apt install y curl apt transport https. Add the Kubernetes apt repository using the following command curl s https://packages.cloud.google.com/apt/doc/apt-key.gpg sudo apt key add dash. Next, add the Kubernetes repo to your sources list with ecodeb https://apt.kubernetes.io Kubernetes xenial main sudo t/ etc. Run another update, sudo apt update to refresh your package listings. Now, install kubelet, kubeaton, and kuberctl with sudo apt install y kubelet kubeaton kuberctl. Disable swap memory to meet Kubernetes requirements by running sudo swap off a. To make this change permanent, edit the stab file by executing sudo nano /etc/stab and comment out any lines that begin with swap. Initialize the Kubernetes cluster with sudo kubeaton init. Once initialized, set up your kubeconfig file so you can run kuberctl commands. Run the command mdirp$home/.kuba. Then copy the admin configuration file with sudo cpi/etc/kubernetes/. Change the ownership of the config file to your user with sudo chon $idu $idg $home/.kuba/config. To deploy a network add-on, follow the instructions specific to the network policy you choose. For example, to use Calico, run kuberctl apply fhttps://docs.projectcalico.org/manifest/calico.yaml. Confirm the nodes are ready by executing kuberctl get nodes. Now you are ready to deploy your microservices on the Kubernetes cluster. Package your microservices in Docker images and push them to a container registry. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.